Like unconsciously trying to fight against that, trying to fight against unity, because religion was built off of separation and division. See what I'm saying? So they unaware of who they're working for. We speak in unity. We speak in love. You gotta remind yourself every day. You are amazing. You are greatness. You are divine. You are love. You gotta remind yourself. Speak that into yourself, and be patient with yourself. Do not down yourself. Don't down yourself. Like if you get a negative thought, and shit, you replace that shit with positive thoughts, uplifting thoughts, because we gonna be tested. But you gotta know it's only a test to make you greater. See, certain things is coming up that you have to face in order for you to keep on ascending and keep on rising. So that's I know this happening a lot now, because things are coming up so that you can deal with it. Because we are losing weight. See what I'm saying? You got to lose that weight. You got to become as light as a feather. I share. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. See, we are losing weight. You got to lose that extra baggage. That extra baggage cannot evolve with you. So that's why it's coming up. See what I'm saying? You got to appreciate that. Appreciate it when it come up. It's going to come up. It's coming up for you to deal with it and overcome it. See what I'm saying? That's all you got to do. Appreciate. Show gratitude for it coming up. Because it's coming up for you to rise. Ashe. See what I'm saying? That's the reason why it's coming up. Be patient with yourself. Because there's one thing. Like you have to experience that energy. That energy that's been hitting, that's been keeping you down. You have to experience that. So you gotta be grateful for that energy coming in right now, because it's coming up, because we are shedding into our God body, getting stronger and stronger. That's all it's for. See what I'm saying? We are getting stronger and stronger. We are rising. Gods and goddesses, we are illuminating. It's up there. It's time to shine. Let your light shine. Ashe. Let your light shine. Let your light shine. Fuck them haters. Stop giving a fuck about them haters. Let your light shine. Be your authentic, true self. That's love. To show yourself. Love yourself. Show who you are. Fuck what they talking about. See what I'm saying? Fuck what they talking about. They ain't gotta like it. They ain't your business if they don't like it. You being your authentic self. You love yourself. You being authentically you. Unapologetically. We are rising. Self-love. Ashe. Revolution. Ashe. We are rising. Beautiful goddesses. Beautiful gods. We are beautiful souls. You got to stand in your power and know who you are. Remember who you are. We are going up, evolving, ascending into this God body. See what I'm saying? That's what's going on. Crystallizing. Come on, man. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. This is the most beautiful time to be alive. We spreading love. We picking each other up, man. We picking each other up. We ain't in competition with each other. I'm going to challenge you to be a better you. That's about it. By telling you the truth. See, a lot of people can't take the truth, so they attack the truth because they ain't ready to face the truth. See what I'm saying? That's the only way I'll challenge you to be a greater you. It's going to benefit you, and a lot of people ain't ready for that. Because it calls for them to have to sit in their shit, face them demons that they've been trying to hide. But that shit is coming up. That's why a lot of them acting out more and more now, because this energy is It's pumping. So they are coming, it's coming up. They can't hide it no more. And they mad about it. See what I'm saying? I say. They mad about it.